Science is one of the greatest blessings to the mankind. It has played a major role in improving the quality of living of the man. Can you imagine living without science even for a moment? The truth is no. Science and technology has made education itself very easier. It has provided us with e-class, smart classes, e-notebooks, online learning, which has proved to be very helpful in this pandemic situation because it has connected teachers directly to the students. Thus, the fruits of science fill every corner of our life.
Good morning, one and all. Respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Vaishali Chauhan, Vice Principal, Mr. Jacob Koshi Sir, and my all colleague teachers. Wish you all a very happy Science Day. The most eminent and outstanding Indian scientist, Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, famously known as C.V. Raman, established his experiment thesis known as the Raman effect, which he declared officially on 28th February 1928. The main objective of this National Science Day is to make aware of our country about science.
Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, today, as we all know that we are celebrating Science Day on the occasion of C.V. Raman's discovery. He has discovered quantum theory. So we know that Science Day is one of the important day for all of us. Today I am going to speak science is boon or a bane. We know that every coin has two sides. Like that only, science has also two sides. So without science we cannot imagine. Just imagine without mobile a day, without clock a day, without electricity a day. So it indicates that science is everywhere. So without science we cannot live. So now the science has made tremendous improvement, discoveries. So life has become very easy because of science. Discoveries in agriculture field, discoveries in medicine, discoveries in all other electronic technologies, discoveries in electricity field. So this indicates that science is very important. Science is a bane. Why we call it as bane? Because other destructive parts like nuclear bomb, otherwise any other type of destructive parts also is because of science only. So we have to take a positive thing only from science. So once again I give best wishes of Science Day for everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Samar Sarge. I am studying in Standard 3rd in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth English Medium School. Today I will show you two science experiments. Now let's start it. The first experiment. Take a ruler and some bits of paper. Take this ruler and rub on our head. The paper stick to the charged ruler. To the glass. See, it is droning. Now I will add it to another glass. See, it's floating. Because this salt makes higher density, so this lemon contains lesser density than the density of water, so this is floating. In the other glass, this lemon has higher density than the density of water, so it is drowning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Navnath from 3rd standard in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth English Medium School. Today I show you one science experiment. Let's start. Thank you.
My name is Purvaja Deshigwan from 3rd standard My experiment name is baking soda blow up trick. I vinegar into the glass. And baking soda into the glove. And we take glove and on the glass and result you look.
आता एकनी पाणी वर येईल.
I will put this detergent in it. And I will mix them. See, the color is changed in yellow, red. Now I will put lemon. Now I will mix it again. And see, again yellow color is.
Basket.
There. There.
Hello Ananal, my name is Shreya Haralwal. I am from 5th standard. Today I am going to speak about Thomas Alva Edison on behalf of Science Week. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion picture. These are some Thomas Edison inventions: light bulb, phonograph, film, etc. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Riddhi Dattatreya Kengre. On the occasion of Science Day, today I am going to speak about APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist and ideal teacher and the President of India. 27 July 2015. Thank you.
Teachers and friends, my name is Sarah Sandeep Chaudhary from 5th. Today on the occasion of Science Day, I have to tell some information about Thomas Edison and his invention. Thomas Edison invented incandescent electric lamp.
And my dear friends, my name is Akanksha Paude from 6th standard. Today I am going to present information about Thomas Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, motions and pictures. Thomas Edison introduced the electric bulb in 1879 at Menlo Park. He fell 99 times in his experiment, but he never discouraged. When he took to try his 100th experiment, then he succeeded in that experiment. Edison said, "Thank you."
Good morning, I am Aretazne from Standard 6B. On the occasion of Science Day, I am going to present some information about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian space scientist and politician who served as the President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born on 15 October 1931 at Rameshwaram and died on 2015 at Shillong. He honored with Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Hoover Medal. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Srushti Wadi of Standard 6. We would like to speak on Indian scientist Abdul Kalam. Full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Good morning. My name is Tanishka Vinayak Tazni. On the occasion of Science Day, I am going to present some information of Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai was an Indian physicist and astronomer who invented space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. He was born on 12th August 1919 at Ahmedabad and died on 30 December 1971. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1966 and Padma Vibhushan in 1972.
On the occasion of Science Day, I am going to present some information about Satyendranath Bose. Satyendranath Bose, FRS, was an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in theoretical physics, specializing in theoretical science. He was born on 1st January 1894 in
is Om Harishchandra Kasar. I am studying in 6th standard. Now I will start. APJ Abdul Kalam is Indian scientist. APJ Abdul Kalam's full name is Abul Pakir Jainalabuddin Abdul Kalam. Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of the India from 22 physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and space administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Indian Research Organization, Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), and was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the developed Pokhran second nuclear test in 1998.
Good afternoon. My name is Piyush Uttal Valodkar. I am from Standard 6. My roll number is 52 and my division is B. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, university acknowledged to be one of the two greatest physics of all time. The other being Isaac Newton. Einstein developed the theory of relativity of the two pillars of modern physics. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Aditya Vinayak Kazne. On the occasion of Science Day, I am going to present some information about Homi Bhabha, who was an Indian nuclear physicist and professor of physics of Tata Instrument on fundamental research. He researched on atomic energy and awarded Padma Bhushan in 1954.
Hi guys, my name is Arush Sachin Paul from Standard 7 from Bharati Vidyapit English Medium School. I am presenting a small project of lunar and solar eclipse today. So guys, this is my project of solar eclipse. When the earth, moon and sun reaches in one line and the sun's light reaches on moon and moon's shadow reflect on the earth is called the solar eclipse. Thank you. This one was the first part of our video. So guys, this is our second part of the video, the lunar eclipse. When the sun, earth and moon comes in one direction and the sun's sunlight goes directly onto the earth and the reflection of the shadow of the earth reaches on the moon is called the lunar eclipse.
My name is Neha Narayan Kadam. I am from Standard 7. My science teacher name is Suchitra Yamkar. Today I am going to present my science project to you. So this is my project of butterfly life cycle. The butterfly life cycle. Let's explore a butterfly's life cycle in detail, including all 4 stages of life. To grow into an adult, they go through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa and butterfly. Each stage has different goal. Of instance, caterpillars need to eat a lot and adults need to reproduce. Depending on
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Sejal Villasado from Standard 7, would like to give some information on how kidneys work. Kidneys are the 2 bean-shaped organs located below the ribcage. Healthy kidneys filter about half cup of blood every minute, removing waste and extra water to make urine. The urine flows from the kidneys to the bladder through 2 thin tubes of muscles called ureters. Your kidneys, ureters and bladder are part of urinary tract.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Om Tukaram Chaudhary from Standard 7. My science project is electric mini car. As there is necessity to replace petrol with available resources like electricity. Please see my project electricity mini car.
Studying in Bharati Vidyapit School in 9th standard. On account of Science Day, I have made a science project which is lemon battery. On anode, I have used zinc and on cathode, I have used copper with 2 cutted pieces of lemon which gives you 1.5 volt and glows an LED bulb. This is a small current tube.
Science behind this is when baking soda and vinegar mixed together, then the carbon dioxide gas is formed and the balloon gets lifted. In this bottle I have poured vinegar.
Myself, Ranjita Nair, studying in Standard 10. Today, on the occasion of Science Day, I would like to give you all a short presentation on the planet Mars. Photographs which are taken by the satellites revolving around the Mars from various angles. In brief, these are some points which make Mars a popular space destination. So far, Russia, America, China and India have carried out such missions to Mars. So if we talk about our own country, India, MOM, that is Mars Orbiter Mission, which is also known as Mission Mangal, was carried out by ISRO in the year 2016. The Mission Mangal had the following objective and achievement: exploration of Mars surface features, morphology, mineralogy by...
Now, logically speaking, the fastest would be route X as it is the shortest. But that is not the case, as while moving from A to B via route X, the rate of acceleration would be constant. But when we move through route Z, at that time the rate of it uses route Z than when it uses route X. And seeing that when we use route Y, at that time the acceleration would be faster and the distance would be shorter. That is why route Y is the fastest route here. This is called the brachistochrone curve. That is the fastest route to reach any point. And it is used in roller coasters and other things like that because they have to be extremely fast. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I thank respected Principal Ma'am Mrs. Vaishali Chavan Ma'am and Mr. Jacob Koshi Sir for providing me with this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. Thank you Ma'am and Sir for your valuable guidance and support. I owe special gratitude to all the science teachers whose efforts and cooperation made this event a memorable one. I also thank the teaching staff for their efforts made grace to the event. Lastly, I would like to thank non-teaching staff and supportive staff for their cooperation for making this event memorable.